So today I am heading to Hollywood Studios, and maybe we may jump to other parks. I'm not sure yet, depending on the weather, because it looks kind of cloudy. But we are going to enjoy hopefully some rides and a nice stroll through the park. And I have a magic band on, so hopefully maybe we could do some bounty hunting. We will see. So stay tuned.
Welcome to this happy place. Welcome.
Doesn't mean it won't be longer.
We just arrived at Hollywood. Got some clouds in the sky, but I don't mind the rain. Cools everything down. Yeah. So hopefully it's not too busy today. We shall see. Yes. The theming of this park is my absolute favorite. I wonder if they have Halloween stuff here today. I guess we'll check it out. We're gonna take our time today and just see how much we can do. So who misses the sorcerer Mickey hat at the end? I do. You know I love to see the Chinese theater. I sure miss that hat. Right about 3:45. And I think we missed Indiana Jones Stunt Spectacular. We're gonna go see. I hear it going on right now, so we probably missed it. Dang it. Wait times. Wow, ride is 250 minutes. Cool. I mean, it's a great ride, no, but dang. Would you wait 250 minutes for it? Always just buy a D Plus pass. I guess if I was here on vacation, I think I would just break down and buy the pass, because you only have so many days. But since I live here, I can just come and pop in and ride it. So yeah, my opinion, yeah, if I was on vacation, I would spend the money. It's worth it. Let's go check out the times. Indiana Jones. Epic Stunt Spectacular. You know, when it first came out, there was rumors like, oh, they changed the show. No, they didn't. It's the same show, the pre-pandemic. So, oh, we didn't miss it. Last show's at 4:30. I think we're gonna do that. All right, y'all, we'll break down. I think I'm gonna get a water and maybe soft serve. I wonder if they can give me in a cup. I'm gonna ask. We'll see. So I'm here at Epic Eats right here by Indiana Jones, and I did ask about the soft serve waffle cone, and you can get it in a cup, which is great. So we're gonna sit here and wait for the Indiana Jones, and guess what I got? the water. Gotta stay hydrated, folks. It's hot out here. All right, Indiana Jones. And I'm waiting this line. All right. Indiana Jones. Epic Stunt Spectacular. On its way. Ooh, misting fans. All right. Where are we gonna sit? We're gonna go. Let's go here. Yeah, that's a good spot.
All right, well, welcome to Indiana Jones Epic Stunt Spectacular! Hello, everyone. My name is Trudy. I'm the director for your film shoot today. How many of you have actually seen our film shoot before? Yes! Thank you for coming back. We really appreciate you. And you know that we normally have 3 action-packed scenes to bring you, but today we are having some weather challenges, as you can see, in the form of rain and lightning, which prevents us from moving these large set pieces you can see right behind me for our Mayan temple scene here. We cannot move them because of the lightning for safety for our cast and crew, but we can bring you our iconic Mayan temple scene. So when you see Indy make his entrance onto our set, or anytime that he does a dangerous stunt out here, I want to hear you guys cheer and go crazy and go absolutely nuts. Can you do it? Thank you. Y'all are awesome. So sit back, relax, and enjoy scene 1 of Indiana Jones Epic Stunt Spectacular.
Four still. He's good. He's good.
So unfortunately, because of the weather, and there's more weather coming, they just announced that they're canceling the parades and the fireworks. So folks, I think I'm gonna call it a day. It's a fairly short vlog, but hey, we had a great day. We had a magical day, and that's all that counts, right? So now I gotta figure out how to get back to Magic. I always take a bus to Magic Kingdom, and that's what I'll probably do. I love all the palm trees. Living in Florida, I think it's my favorite part of Florida. Of course, Disney, but the palm trees, they're everywhere. Just everywhere. All right, let's see. All the 50th course. Hey people, they got mobile checkout here. I would definitely take advantage of that. No lines. Heck yeah. Alright, let's see if I can find any kind of Halloween stuff or new merch. Oh, this is cute. Look at this jacket. It's like a vintage Pizza Planet jacket. That is adorable. How much is that? That is $70, not bad. Not bad. Of course, all your snacks. Hello. And I don't see any. Oh, that's cute. Don't see any Halloween merch. We do have lounge flies, though. Lounge flies. Miss Piggy, oh that one's cute. Bo Peep. And here's all of your main attraction. Got Peter Pan, It's a Small World, and the teacups. Very cute. Those will be worth some money one day. And all your ears. Nope. No Halloween. The only really Halloween-y is this orange Spirit jersey, but it's not really for Halloween. I've seen it before. Well, oh well. And there's your mobile checkout. We'll definitely utilize that. And of course, guest relations always has a long line. So let's turn around and give it one nice little shot here. What a beauty, huh? What a beauty. All right, y'all. Today was pretty magical. Even though we did rain, we had a great day. So I thank you again for watching this vlog. And you know what? If you like it, go ahead and leave me a comment. Like, and please subscribe. It really helps our channel. So I will end this vlog here, and I wish you a magical evening. And look how pretty this view is, the lake. Beautiful. All right, folks. Bye.